Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A lot of people has been asking me about this push-up tool and the demo, how to use it with JVF tip. So I designed this push-up tool a while ago, but I've been testing and trying it for some time, and it recently came out. Now, this is the tool that you buy at A1. This is the JVF tip. Now, JVF tip is what inspired me to create this push-up tool. Even though this push-up tool has multiple uses, you can put any tip on it. You can use it as a dolly. You can use it as pushing with everything. This JVF tip is the reason why I made it. Because when you attack oversized dents nicely with this, they go so fast. And a lot of people have been asking me for a demo. So here in this video, I'm releasing about a 6-minute section from my Hail Pro package. That is an online learning course. If you're interested in the full course, go check on bestpdrtraining.com. There is a full Hail course that will make you better and faster in Hail for sure. The video that follows is a 6-minute video taken from that course that demos the use of the push-up tool with the JVF tip. Now, what I will do is I will use my push-up tool to get those. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dents. They are all oversized, some even double oversized. We get all of them 8 to a manageable position very fast. If we put on €2 coin, which I think it's comparable to like either quarter or half, we can actually see the outside of the dent. Now that's a €2 coin on it. You can put 1, 2, more than 3 €2 coins in it. That can also be maybe a triple oversized dent, but this is not the point of this discussion. So here is the push-up tool with the JVF tip on it. Now, my goal, and you can see it from underneath now, is grab it like this so I can have strain. My goal is to hit directly on the center of the spot. I'm not on the dent now, but the goal is directly on and then move it. Wiggle it left and right because I will see the tip walking. Now I'm finding the center and I'm applying pressure and I can see the tip in the middle. Now I can rock it and that tip is just pushing the dent up and walking. Now just with that single push, we got it down to almost less than $2 size, €2. We can do another push, get it down even lower. It is right about there right now. If we move, this one is right here on the glue, so glue was causing a bit of issue. This one here is open. Let's move our view on that one. There we go. Let's shift our focus on the next one. Again, so look right next to the coin. What happens when I apply pressure straight up? This point here, the highest point on the tool, will show itself, and then with wiggling, when I apply pressure, you can see the tip, the point. I'm wiggling left and right, up and down, up and down. And that is the movement you're looking for. Now let's do this dent. What I'm looking for is when I apply pressure, the tip, now I can walk this tip left and right, up and down, for it to push where it needs to push and get this dent up to a very small, manageable, easy dent to fix. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dents here. They can be all considered oversized, and I will time it. I will just go one after another with this push-up tool, push it up, make it smaller, make it manageable, make it to a size that is very easy and fast to repair. Now I hope I don't get in the way. I will be moving from this side to this side, just using this tool, and let's go. So first one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now let's see what's left. I'll just grab my camera, come in closer. So this was the first one, second, I think third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. They're all soft. Nothing is chewed up. This was done very fast. Now all you need to do is take a tool and push it out. And I'm sure you can clean this up, finish this up fast. So this is a demo. This is how you use a push-up tool with the JVF tip. I hope you like this video. Make sure you click the like and the subscribe button down below, and I will see you on the next one.